Well, hello guys, we're making Hungry Cat. In this game, the cat will try to eat the apple. Like this. Okay. So, I'm just going to start a new page. I'm just going to make a new page. Let's go create a new. We're going to get a new creating project. Okay. So right now, currently we have the cat. First, we're going to make it move. So, the first part, go to events and get one clicked. Then get forever at control, which is here. Then go to motion and then go to get this one, or you can just do point towards mouse pointer. So this can't work, so you can just do point towards mouse pointer and move 10 steps. So this is the only one that works, like this. So now, after this, we're going to make the apple. Now the apple, we'll just gonna get an apple. Alright. Or I can just get a banana. I'll just grab an apple. And then one clicked. Then grab a one clicked. And then get a forever. And then get a one. Go to random position. Like this one. Here. Alright. Now, forever, then get if then. And then touching sprite 1, which is the cat. Then looks. Hide. Then grab a hide. And then grab a show as well. And then go to random position 1 again. Show. And then the last part, I think, is sound. And choose a sound. Then search chomp or bite. I'm gonna do bite. Alright, like that. So it's actually, we're gonna do bite. You can do chomp, but I prefer bite. Bite. Alright, like that. Let's see it in action. I guess this is the end of the tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in Hungry Cat Part 2.